Have you ever jolted awake in the dead of night from a sudden, searing leg cramp that made you cry out? Or perhaps you've noticed your legs feeling increasingly heavy and weak, where simple tasks like climbing a flight of stairs or walking a short distance feel harder than ever before. Many people simply dismiss these frustrating issues as a normal part of getting older. But the truth is, this decline in strength and frequent cramping is often the direct result of a quiet but serious nutrient shortage slowly draining the vitality from your muscles. The great news is, this problem is entirely fixable. Forget the quick fix pills often pushed by drug companies. They rarely address the root cause. In this video, we're going to dive into three crucial nutrients your legs are desperately needing, all of which are supported by solid science and proven to not only eliminate those painful cramps, but also to naturally rebuild your strength so you can move with freedom and confidence again. Stick around, because one of these natural solutions has been scientifically shown to boost muscle power by a stunning 58% in as little as 6 weeks. Nutrient 1. Vitamin D, the muscle activator. When people hear about vitamin D, they usually think about strong bones. But for the last 2 decades, research has clearly shown that it's just as essential for powerful muscles. Without enough of it, your legs can feel heavy, weak, and much more likely to cramp, especially while you're sleeping. Think of vitamin D as the key that unlocks the power of your muscle cells. Your skin makes the active form, D3, from sunlight, and it then travels to your muscles where it fits into special receptors. If you don't have enough of this key, your muscles become sluggish, uncoordinated, and prone to painful spasms. Science confirms this. A major study found that people with low vitamin D levels were 3 times more likely to suffer from leg cramps. It's also vital for managing the calcium flow within your muscles. A shortage lets calcium build up in the wrong places, triggering that sudden, painful tightening. In fact, older adults with healthy vitamin D levels can have up to 37% more leg strength than those who are deficient. Deficiency is extremely common because our skin produces about 75% less of this vital vitamin by age 70, even with the same sun exposure. For most older adults, experts recommend a daily supplement of 2,000 to 4,000 IU of vitamin D3, which is the form your body uses best. Always pair it with a healthy fat, like avocado or olive oil, for better absorption. And remember, consistency is key, as it builds up slowly over time. Nutrient 2. Vitamin B12, the nerve electrician. If vitamin D is the muscle's power switch, then vitamin B12 is the electrician, ensuring the signals from your brain run smoothly to your legs. A shortage means your nerves can't communicate properly, leading to cramps, tingling, that heavy leg feeling, weakness, and difficulty with walking or climbing stairs. Your nerves are protected by a coating called myelin, and B12 is essential for maintaining it. When B12 levels drop, the myelin breaks down, causing nerve signals to become weak or lost. This results in your muscles misfiring and leads to cramps and poor coordination. Research has shown that over a third of adults over 60 have low B12, and those with a deficit were up to 80% more likely to suffer from leg weakness and cramps. A common reason for low B12 in seniors is that your stomach produces less acid as you age, and this acid is necessary to release B12 from food. To solve this, the most effective form is methylcobalamin, the active version that can be taken as a sublingual tablet or drops. This method bypasses the stomach completely and allows for excellent absorption. Most seniors benefit from 500 to 1,000 micrograms per day. Look for it in foods like beef, fish, and eggs, but know that a high-quality supplement is often required, especially if you take acid-reducing medications. Nutrient 3. Magnesium, the muscle relaxer. Magnesium isn't a vitamin, but it's the quiet hero of muscle health, acting as the crucial off switch that lets your muscles finally relax after they contract. If you're short on magnesium, calcium gets stuck inside the muscle cells, keeping them tense and highly susceptible to cramping, especially those painful nighttime spasms. When your muscle contracts, calcium rushes in to make it tighten. To relax, magnesium must push that calcium back out. Without enough, the muscle stays tight, leading to sudden, severe cramps. But its job doesn't end there. Magnesium also ensures your nerves send the right messages and is absolutely critical for creating ATP, the energy that fuels every single movement. Less magnesium means less energy, which often shows up as fatigue and overall muscle weakness. The evidence is compelling. A large study found that seniors with the lowest magnesium levels had 7.5 times more leg cramps. In trials, taking magnesium not only caused cramps to drop by 86%, but also improved leg strength by 58% in just 6 months. The average person needs about 400 to 600 milligrams of magnesium daily, split into 2 smaller doses. The best forms are magnesium citrate for good absorption, or magnesium glycinate if you have a sensitive stomach. Many people like taking a dose in the evening as it also promotes better sleep. To get the most benefit, never take it at the same time as calcium, as they compete for absorption, but you should always pair it with vitamin D since they work better together. Simple daily habits for lasting results. Taking vitamin D, B12, and magnesium works best when combined with a few simple tweaks to your routine. First, try an easy strength builder. Instead of dropping into a chair, lower yourself slowly and count to 5. This simple, eccentric movement powerfully strengthens your thigh muscles. Next, try exercise snacking by taking 3 shorter 10-minute walks throughout the day instead of one long one, a method that can boost muscle strength more effectively. Also, staying well hydrated is key, as even mild dehydration can trigger cramps. Finally, a simple trick before bed is to alternate warm and cool water on your legs in short bursts. This boosts circulation, relaxes your muscles, and significantly reduces the chance of nighttime cramps. These small, everyday changes, when combined with the right nutrients, can improve your leg strength by as much as 74%, leading to more stability, greater confidence, and the freedom to move with ease every day. In summary, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and magnesium are the 3 keys to stopping cramps, restoring muscle strength, and keeping your legs steady. They don't just mask the pain, they actively improve your balance, your mobility, and your energy. If you've been struggling with muscle weakness or painful cramps, now is the time to give these scientifically proven solutions a try and feel the difference for yourself. If this video was helpful, please share it with a loved one who might need it, and leave a comment below with your story.